Hey,
Hello.
I think our group is this MIA.
Yeah. So I was thinking,
Have you heard?
I haven't heard anything. We should probably, I was gonna see if we can hop on another group for the, at least the group
Yeah,
project.
yeah. I was thinking what to do about that because they don't even respond or anything.
Um, yeah. So I'll probably just try to start a discussion thing and see if anyone, if we can just hop on someone that does it at the same time.
Okay, that would be good. Cause I watched that. Did you watch the video that he had?
I got like 10 minutes in, but
Yeah, that was. It was really.
that's as far.
It was really kind of like I don't know. I couldn't understand him for a lot of it.
Yeah.
He was like talking quiet. But I don't know if it's due this Saturday. I don't see anywhere that it is. Where did you see that?
Um, if you just click on the math page, it's called, I think it's just the design the study, because mine it says it's due November 12th at 11 p.m.
Is it
Just
it doesn't show in the content page?
um oh, I can click there too.
It
Does
just
yours,
showing. Oh,
if
wait,
you
what?
click on content, if you click on
Uh-huh.
content and then go down to final project,
Oh.
because mine still says November 12th and it's on like this week's thing.
Okay.
So I think we just have to we have to like design it. So like we don't really have to do much this week.
Yeah,
I, s-
somebody. Well, he said it could just be one person or multiple people that I guess write it out or something.
yeah, so I think I was looking over it, like I have it open. So I think this week you're supposed to pick who does what, because you have to do like, uh, I think it's like a presentation you do. So it'd be like everyone, you pick who does each slide. But I
Okay.
mean, we only have two people, so it'd be like two people doing like six people's jobs.
Yeah, it'd be me and you doing
Yeah.
everything.
So I think
And
you just have to do that, and then you have to also, I think you have to pick what you want to do for yours, the whatever experiment thing, the study.
okay. Okay. Okay, I see it now. Design the study. I wonder why this isn't showing up in the content page. Because I would have never known that was due.
Oh, mine was on like the due dates. That's the only reason I saw it.
Oh, because I only look at content page. I guess maybe I should look somewhere else too. Um,
Hey, so I'm about to just like post something. So you're good at like this time on basically every day, or
um, let me see. I think. Oh wait, only Thursday at 2. My daughter has gymnastics,
okay,
and I left like at 3:20ish today, so we good for an hour and like 20 minutes.
okay.
But yeah, Friday's fine.
Okay.
Tuesday should be fine.
Yeah, I think if worse comes to worse, we can just. I don't know if we actually need to like Skype for these group meetings. If worse comes to worse, we could just do our thing and then just join for this. Because I don't know if we need to meet up every week for this project.
So is that the same as the final project, or is this something different?
So I think this is the beginning. Every week or so, you like do a part of the project. So it says we have to design it this week, and then I'm guessing he's going to go over it, and because it says don't find anything unless the teacher approves.
Yeah.
So then once he approves it, then you have to do it like collect the data and then describe the data. So I think you just do one of these steps every like week.
Okay. Yeah, I could. I mean, we could email back and forth and stuff.
Yeah, I feel like we'll probably just do discussion board stuff for these anyways.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna do a post on the Q&A for this class and see if we can join someone's group.
Okay. Sit down. Let me see. Yeah, that's good. Because, yeah, that would be a lot of work for us to do on top of everything.
Yeah.
But I wonder what the other 3 people in our group are going to do. Because
I don't know. I feel like they might have dropped the class, maybe.
I don't know why they don't inform us of something. Because we keep...
Yeah. I don't know, you know.
Okay, yeah, I don't know. I don't get it.
So, yeah.
Okay, so I have... It's weird. Oh, okay, never mind. So we aren't going to do it right now. Wait, that's weird. I don't...
So you don't have a due date for your design the study?
Yeah, it does have a due date. It does have the 12th. I just can't like figure out how to open it. Open this link. Oh, never mind. It opened now. It wasn't opening.
Yeah.
Okay, I have it open. Okay. So are you just gonna post it, or should I ask the teacher anything?
I'll just post it. I don't know if anyone actually reads these. We might have to talk to the teacher.
Yeah. Because I never read it. I never get on that board.
I've never looked at it either. But I saw people on it. So I just said that we're dwindled down to 2 people and we're looking to join someone's group project.
Okay. Because it looks like we have to create a study and do all the steps. Just like thinking of idea alone is kind of hard.
I was like, I don't even know what thing on.
Like a questionnaire or whatever. No, it doesn't have to be a survey. That seems kind of easy. Does it seem easier or not?
This paper?
Questionnaire. Well, if we...
for a survey?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know, because if they want us to get like 100 people, like that'll be hard.
Oh, true. That's true.
But I mean, just 100 of anything.
Yeah.
Plus I mean, let's see. Let's just go over the other stuff, and then hopefully maybe someone will reply by then and say if we can join their group.
Okay.
I just posted it.
All right.
So let's do the first one.
All right.
I think it is 14, 15, 16.
16, yeah.
16.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Wait, what week is it? 9? Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, wait, but I need to... Did you already do it?
Yeah, I did it. Did you do it?
Yeah. So let me open it. Okay, can you be quiet if you're gonna sit there, okay? Okay, I got it open.
Sweet.
So in a pie chart, why are the slices different sizes? So that one's kind of just obvious, right?
Yeah, I mean, do you understand how a pie chart works?
Yeah.
Okay. So my understanding is that I think it literally just says it, but a Pareto chart is basically just a bar chart that's ordered differently.
Ordered from largest to smallest.
Yeah, so I think a bar chart, it doesn't really matter because you can tell which is the highest, but
yeah.
Pareto, they just organize it a little better.
Okay.
I have a bunch of, let me grab my notebook real quick.
Okay.
Hey, Mama.
Okay, here.
So, did you take notes from the video or?
Yeah, I took some.
Okay, yeah, so I just wrote down to help me with these. So I put, so P is the population proportion, or it's also the true proportion is the answer.
Okay.
So I'd just write that down because I always had to look back at that.
Yeah, because I know I wrote it somewhere, but okay, P is the
True proportion.
true, yeah. But
And
it's also
yeah, the population proportion. Also, I'd put next to it that the that P is the mean of the P, whatever it's called.
okay.
The one with the symbol above it.
The P bar or something?
P, P bar,
hat.
P hat.
Isn't it P hat?
Yeah, it's P hat, I think.
Okay, yeah. All right.
And then N is the sample size. Do you know how to find out if they like meet the requirements?
Well, did he go? Oh, let me see.
Yeah, so that's like number 7.
He. Oh, I put on there that it was kind of confusing to review it again.
Yeah, so like the way he did it at first, and then I think he realized you can just put it in Excel, which is much easier.
You could just do the. Did he use the Excel sheet for that?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what. Yeah, because sometimes it's like I was trying to understand it, and then all of a sudden it's like, oh, you could do it easier, and then I didn't grasp it.
Yeah, so I can tell you how to do it on Excel. It's like super easy, actually.
Okay. Wait, did he post that Excel sheet?
Yeah, if you just click on the math class, it's like underneath the video links. It's called like Excel form, like exam 3, I think.
Okay. Oh yeah, he posted it in the announcements. Okay. Because he did a lot of like freehand math
Yeah.
in the meeting.
Yeah, I don't think you need to do any of that.
Okay, because I was. Yeah. Oh, oops. Did you just share it?
No?
Wait,
Is
I'm confused.
it sharing or something?
Yeah, I don't know what I did. Do you see? No, never mind. Sorry.
Okay.
It's just like my computer did something weird. But I'm good
Okay.
now. Okay, so we put it in the smallest n.
Yeah, that's one. So you just put 1/4
Okay.
for whatever the decimal is.
Yeah, that's what I was. Is it 0.25?
Yeah.
No? Okay. Yeah, I was like, seemed logical, but
Yeah.
no. Okay. Okay, and that just gave you in. Okay. That was 40.
So
I get it.
yeah, so you just choose so it has to be over 10 because that's like the only way it passes. They both have to be over 10.
Okay.
Just pick the larger number between the two, and that's going to be the answer.
Yeah, it's way easier when he makes those, but it's just like need to remember which one to use.
Yeah, so I'd probably just put smallest n next to that on your notes, just so you know which Excel to use or which part of it.
Okay. All right.
Let's see.
So
Okay,
that
so
one.
do you remember 8? How to do 8?
Let me see. You could explain it. Wait, oh no, it's just the mean is the. I mean, wait a second. The mean of p is the p.
Yeah.
It's a, yeah. Okay, I wrote that down.
Yeah, so that one's just 0.4.
You could trace those if you want. Yeah, so that's easy one.
Oh, for 9, this is where you plug it in on the top. Real thing. All you need is P and N.
Okay. P. Oh. And oh, you said it. Oh yeah, it rounds to 1.
Mm-hmm.
Did you get points? Wait, never mind. I think I got the wrong one. So wait, I don't
Did
know.
you get, what was your answer you got?
Wait, were we supposed to? Which one were we supposed to plug it in at? I think was it in the top?
Yeah.
Okay, I did. Oh, I got like, so I plugged for P. I plugged in 0.4, and for N I put 25. And then it says,
25?
yeah. Oh, oops.
I think
Oh,
it's 24.
I'm losing my mind. That's probably why. Oh yeah, okay. That was it. Sorry.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm good there.
Yeah. Let's see.
Okay, so for this one, so it's just 35 or it's 0.35. Oh, wait. Are we on number 9 or no? We're on number.
I think we're on 9.
Oh, yeah. Number 10, right?
10. Yeah, it's 10.
Okay. So I put that he said to use the Excel sheet, the conditions and requirement portion.
I don't think you need that. Let me just see.
You know?
I don't think
Okay.
you use that one for at least the first answer.
Okay.
So P hat is normally like a percentage. So right now, so it says P is 0.3, and it's also the same thing because it says Brittany's batting average is 0.300. So I think normally like the first percentage that is given is always P pretty much. And then what you want to determine is P hat.
Oh, yeah.
So P hat is, so it says they want to get more than 35 hits to 100 at bats.
Yeah.
So it should be 35 over 100. And so that's how you get 0.35.
Okay.
And if you just plug these in, I think you get all of the other answers.
Yeah. Okay. So let me see. Which one are you inputting it at?
On the top,
Oh, I did the wrong one. Okay.
I think most of them are pretty much the top one. There's like a couple, but most of them I found were the top.
Okay. Oh. Okay. I got it.
Did all of the things match up, all the numbers?
Let me see. So I don't know. Okay, what did you put for P? Did you put 35?
It should be 0.3. I think it is this one.
Okay. Okay. Okay, yeah, now I got it. All right.
So you got the same standard deviation and z-score?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just, for some reason, I keep on like doing like errors.
Yeah.
I think I'm really tired.
I feel like I missed most of my questions just because I put the wrong numbers in on accident.
Yeah. How did you do on the test?
Oh, I did terrible. I did not do good.
So did I. I did really bad.
I was
Like, did you like do well last time you got an A, so
I got like a D plus, like not good at all.
well I got a D too.
So I guess.
It was like a 62 or 60 something.
Yeah, I was so mad because I spent like 8 hours, like I spent my whole Saturday just studying for it, and I still.
I know, me too. Well, his practice test didn't really prepare me for
No,
most of the questions.
I just wish I could see like what I did wrong because like
Me too.
I felt like I'd get an A and then I got a D and I was like, ah.
Well, okay, you know what happened to me? Oh my gosh. I was logged into SVSS on the was it working for you?
Mine worked.
Well, mine was like incredibly, I'm talking like the slowest thing you could ever imagine.
Uh-huh.
Like even scrolling down, it took like 5 minutes to scroll to the next question. Like I was having a patience meltdown. Anyways,
Dang.
so I was dealing with that, and then all of a sudden I was in like I was almost at the end. No, I was like in the middle, and it just like froze. It wouldn't do anything. Completely froze. So I figured out I could open the test in another computer, but I couldn't use the SPSS. So I had to not answer some of the questions.
Oh, dang.
Yeah, I didn't answer the last SPSS questions because I could not even like open.
Yeah,
I couldn't open it.
apparently, I guess they even like closed down some tests in this testing center because SPSS wasn't working, but like it worked for me, so I don't know.
Oh, I didn't know. Okay, so it wasn't just my computer because.
I think yeah, like the whole like lab was having problems. But I
Oh,
don't know, it worked on mine for some reason.
yeah. I mean, it was working when it actually worked, but it was the slowest thing ever. Even in the test, it was just all slow in that computer.
Yeah.
Like, and then it just totally froze, and it was frozen for like 30 minutes. I was like trying everything, and then I finally figured, well, I could probably open the test, and then
Yeah.
anyway, it was a sad day.
That was a sad day.
Yeah.
Let's see, do you remember how to find the probability?
Probability.
Remember how to
Hold
do
on.
number 13?
Use. Oh yeah, use the davidmlane.com, type above, and put in the standard deviation, the z-score. I mean,
Yeah, so that was just
yeah,
kind of a flashback from like a couple exams ago.
yeah. Um, so I know how to do that.
Okay. I think these are the same, 14 to 16. You do the same things. You just plug
Yeah.
them in. Let's see.
So use the applet again for 16. Yeah, so we're using the same. So all we do is type above
Yeah.
1.0.
Yeah.
And then it gives you 0.1376. It's 0.138.
Yeah, that's all you have to do for that.
Yeah, okay. So every time you see probability, is that what you do then?
Yeah, I think that's the only way you can find the p-value or the probability.
Okay. So if you get the z-score wrong, you'll probably get that wrong.
Yeah, basically.
Okay, so think we're good on this one.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how to do 15
Oh, okay. 15.
because I don't think I'm trying to figure out what the p hat is. I feel like
He said it was 0.011.
0.011.
That's what I have written down.
Oh, okay, so that's p hat. That's what I have for the standard deviation.
I think standard deviation is the p hat, right? Or that's the. Oh wait,
No, because this is the standard deviation of the p hat.
I don't know. I don't know
I
when.
feel like there was like a number that if it doesn't tell you, you just put in. Maybe let me try this.
P hat. Oh wait, for number 14, I have the p hat as 0.5. I don't know.
Okay, so I think that works. Let me see. Okay, yeah, so it is. So I had it written down. I just didn't read it right.
It was 0.5
So if
because.
yeah, I just have it's if it says no prior estimates, which I don't even see it saying, but if there's no prior estimates, then the p hat is 0.5. So I think that's if they don't tell you what the p hat is, just assume it's 0.5.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I thought it was because of 50% or something. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't, that's something he said, so I'd probably write that down. And then you just do the same thing to get the probability with the David Blaine.
Okay.
Should we get on 16, or do you have any other questions?
We're good.
Okay.
We go to the next one.
Yeah, so um, so I think we already have 3 written down, so you can probably skip that one.
Okay.
So 4, I think this is the one you use the conditions requirements one. So you just plug in.
Yeah, I did write that. The N, you'd put 100. Okay.
And both of these, they just have to both be over 10, which they should be. So then it should be satisfied.
Okay, let me write that. Did you get 25 and 75?
Yep.
So it has to be over 10.
Yeah, so they both have to be over 10. So like even if one of them's over 10 and one's like a 9, then it fails.
Good to know.
So he basically said that a hypothesis test and a confidence interval are the same thing. It's basically what he said.
Yeah.
So I think they both just mean the same thing. So that one's true for that reason.
So if it was false, that would have been false?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So do you remember how to find the p caret or p whatever, p hat?
He had,
Do you,
well,
do you know how to? Do you think you could find it on number 6?
let me see. I did not write how he did it, so P
Okay.
hat. Well, I
So-
wrote out the whole. I have the whole problem, but I don't. How did he do it?
So p hat, it's just like so I don't know if it's always going to be like it, but so far, so it's the sample is 60, so that's n because that's samples n, and
Okay.
normally p hat is like it's like a dividing from the sample. So we're trying to find, or we found out that 45 of the defendants are guilty. So it's 45 like over 60. So you just do that division.
Oh.
And so that should be like a 0.75.
Yeah. 0.75. So that's okay. So 45 over 60.
Yeah. So I think right now we have so this thing gives us the N and the P hat. So 7, I think I think this is where we use the sample size calculation on the bottom.
I put use Excel.
Okay, yeah, so I think you just put in the percent on the left, so it's 0.95. And
You put it in the P or?
on conference lev,
Oh, yeah. Okay. I already had that there.
let's see.
Oops, I just deleted the P. So.
Because this doesn't give us the upper bounds. I think we actually use the top on this one.
Okay. Yeah.
But I don't know what P is.
Yeah. I didn't write this one down.
Let's see.
So. Margin of error. Oh. So yeah, I don't know what to put for everything.
Yeah. I don't know. It does give us.
Because we don't have, well, we have 95% confidence. Now we have the margin of error, right?
Yeah, so I know what N is, I know what P hat is, and I know what the conf lev. I just don't know what P is. Hmm.
Maybe we could just rewatch that one. Let's see.
Yeah, I can't. So I can't. I mean, I think it's already in the Excel. I have because it already had 0.52 in it, and it has the same answers that are the answers on this, but I don't know why it would be 0.52.
Yeah.
I don't remember seeing that anywhere.
Yeah.
I guess we can just rewatch that one.
Did he do some math before? I don't know.
Yeah. Rewatch that. We can do number 10 though. So you basically just you can just switch N to 80 and then you just look at the width and it should decrease the higher the sample goes.
Okay, because he said every time, isn't this the one? If you increase the sample size, then you decrease the confidence interval.
Yeah.
It's like the opposite effect happens. And that was on the last test, the other. I remember that.
Yeah. So 11, you just plug in again on the smallest n,
Okay.
and it should be 20.
Okay. Yeah.
And then you should just do the same thing on 12. I think you just plug that in too.
Okay. So so 1/10. So 0.1. 100.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. So I think for this one, we can just plug in N and P. So
Okay.
P should just be 0.6.
Which one are you?
60%.
Which section are you plugging in at?
I'm going to do the conditions requirements one.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
So I think 60 and 80. And since they're both over 10, it should be true.
Okay. So if they're over 10, it's always true.
Yeah, if they're both over 10. So for p hat, I think you're just going to use the thing right underneath it to find out the p hat. With the x and the n.
Oh, okay. I get it.
And so you plug those in, it should give you p hat. And now I think we have everything. We can plug it in up top.
What was that? Yeah, at like later. Okay, wait, what did you plug in for, let's see. What did you plug in for 14? You plugged in X and N. Oh, okay, never mind.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, my headphones died.
Let's see. For 14, I just keep getting the wrong answer.
So did you plug them in up top?
Oh. Like on the very top? Okay.
Yeah, so I think these are basically, you use these to find like p hat and such. And then once you
Okay.
find those, you can plug them all in.
Oh,
Let me see
okay.
if it works.
So is P 0.6 and
Yeah.
80?
Yeah.
And then P hat. Wait,
Yeah, so that's the one we just found with the X and the N.
yeah. At 0.35.
I think so. It should be 0.475.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I got that. For the Z-score is the test statistic.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then you just do the David Blaine thing again. So
Okay.
yeah.
Input that in. Okay. Let's see.
And then so you take the p-value, and then this is what we did last exam. This is when if it's less than 0.05, then you reject it, and if it's greater than 0.05, then you fail to reject.
Okay.
So since it is since it's less than, you should reject it.
Wait, if it's more than what? What could you say that again? Sorry.
Yeah, so it's the same thing we did last exam. So if p-value is less than 0.05, then you reject it. And then if it is greater than 0.05, you fail to reject.
Okay.
And if you reject it, that means that you have sufficient evidence.
Yeah.
So it should be you have sufficient evidence to conclude that water quality in the area has decreased.
Okay.
And I think
All
that
right. So
should do it.
yeah, just so do you want me to email the teacher or should we wait a little bit?
Yeah, you probably should email them. Like you said, I don't know if anyone actually looks at these. Like I posted it, but I mean, I don't know if anyone will actually comment.
Yeah.
So
All right. I'll tell
yeah,
him.
hopefully it doesn't set us in a group. We can just, I don't know, I guess we'll have to do it ourselves then, but
No, let's get it.
I
Well,
guess
maybe I wish that our group would actually respond.
yeah.
I was thinking of just emailing and see if they would respond that way. Like, does this Google Hangout message? I mean, it comes to me fine. I don't know if they're not getting it or what.
Yeah, I don't know. I guess you can try.
Yeah. Well, Corey has never showed up, right?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure Core dropped because he was never here.
Okay. And then there's Emily and Mia. They've come, but they just like stopped coming. So
Yeah.
I don't know. I guess I'll just
Yeah.
email the teacher and see what he says to do.
Okay.
So I'll let you know. I'll send you an email, tell you what he says.
All right. Sounds good.
All right.
I think
Okay.
All right. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.